So Schlegel notes part 2, we have that compound interest, no matter what type, is used to describe the growth of a lump sum of money over time. And so the key word there is a lump sum, meaning that it is just a deposit that is made once. And it could be a deposit as little as 1 cent. It could be a deposit as big as $1 million. It doesn't matter how big it is, as long as that money was only deposited once. So a lump sum is one payment put into an account, as I just described, or it is an account that has no longer having payments made to it. And so, for instance, if I have an account that I am putting $100 a month into for several months, that would be considered an annuity because I'm making regularly scheduled payments. But if I decide to stop making payments, the money continues to grow by compound interest. And so that is considered that after all the payments have stopped, that lump sum of money doesn't necessarily get reinvested, but it stops being added to, and it changes from behaving like an annuity to behaving like compound interest. And so again, basically, if there's no payments being made to the account or no payments coming out of the account, it's just sitting there growing, that is compound interest. And that little piece there at the bottom, if there are additional payments made later on, the account would likely be considered an annuity. And so what sometimes happens is people put in a lump sum of money to start with, and that would behave like compound interest, and then they decide, hey, in addition to that, I'm going to be putting in $100 a month. And so if we put money in like $5,000 to start with, that will grow by compound interest. And then when we add $100 a month, that will grow like an annuity. And I know that this is sounding complicated here at this point, but we will make sense of it through doing some of these together. And again, the biggest thing to understand is if you just put money in once, compound interest, or if the money is sitting there not being added to, compound interest. And if the money is being added to on a regular recurring basis, it's going to be an annuity.